Hi dear friends, welcome back to this channel. Today in this video I will show you how you can change word spacing, letter spacing or line spacing in the Canva. So without wasting time, let's start video. Before starting the process, if you did not subscribe our channel, please subscribe it. So firstly, open the Canva application and here select any template which you want to make. For example, I want to make YouTube banner or YouTube thumbnail. That's why I will click on it. And then I will select blank template. And here I will write any text. Then I will show you how you can easily change word space or line space or letter space. So firstly we will write any text. How to change. So after that we will duplicate this text and then write how to change letter spacing, and then duplicate it again and we will write line spacing. So for example, we have written this text and then we can increase the size. So in this way you can select any size of your text. So after that, if we want to change the letter spacing, then click on that text on which you want to change spacing. So here you will see different options at the bottom side, and then you will also see spacing options. So click on it, and here you can see letter spacing options. So you can see when I will move it in the right side, letter spacing is changed. So if I want to decrease the letter spacing, then I will move in the left side. So in this way you can change the letter spacing very easily. So guys, if you want to change the line spacing, then I will show you how you can easily change it. So select any line. For example, I will write here for how to change line spacing. So you can see when I will select this line and you will see spacing options. So here you can see line spacing. So you can also increase or decrease. So when you will move in the right side, line spacing is increased. So when you will move in the left side, line spacing is decreased. So guys, in this way you can increase or decrease line spacing in the text. So guys, if this video is helpful for you, please like the video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.